Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's big question. Did you know you're surrounded by invisible, natural radiation, even in bananas or outer space? Let's break down radioactivity and what makes it so powerful and mysterious. What is radioactivity? Radioactivity is the property of some atoms to spontaneously emit energy in the form of invisible rays or particles as their unstable atomic nuclei decay and transform into more stable forms. It's part of nature. Elements like uranium, thorium, and potassium are naturally radioactive, and we're exposed to small amounts in the air, rocks, even food. There are three main types. Alpha radiation, which consists of heavy, slow particles, helium nuclei. They can't travel far and can be stopped by a sheet of paper. Beta radiation, which consists of fast-moving electrons or positrons. They can go through paper, but are stopped by metal or plastic. And gamma radiation, which consists of high-energy invisible waves. They're super penetrating and need very thick lead or concrete for shielding. How does decay happen? When a nucleus decays, it releases energy. Sometimes it also releases new particles, and it can transmute into another element. Like over billions of years, uranium can turn into lead. But it's random and timeless. You can't predict when a single nucleus will decay, but for a whole bunch of them, it's very regular. That's called the half-life, the time it takes for half the atoms to decay. Half-lives vary from fractions of a second to billions of years. How do we use and measure it? Geiger counters click or beep when they detect particles. We measure radiation in becquerels, which is the number of decays per second. Sieverts, which measures the biological effect, in gray, which measures the amount of energy absorbed per unit mass. Radioactivity is used in medicine, archaeology, carbon dating, power plants, and more. And it's not dangerous unless you're exposed to too much. High doses can damage cells and DNA and cause burns or even cancer. But most of the time, we're protected by shielding, distance, and limiting our time near radioactive stuff. That's why we have safety guidelines and regulations to keep us safe from the invisible, energetic rays all around us. Invisible, energetic, and everywhere. Radioactivity is a natural phenomenon with powerful uses and real risks. Want more wild science facts? Like and subscribe for more.